I'm a firm believer that cruise vacations don't just happen. I'm here today to help you. I've done all the research so that you don't have to. Hi, I'm Christy from Cruising with Christy. I was just talking to my friend Julie this week about an upcoming cruise that we're going on, Princess. I've never been on a Princess cruise before, so I let her know all the work I'm doing in researching all about the ship, all about the restaurants, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to share that information with you. Princess Cruise Line is a premier cruise line, along with Holland America and Celebrity, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to go on that cruise ship. I wanted to get an idea of how is Princess different from the Holland America that we sailed on just this past summer. You know, the one thing I do know about premier cruise lines is that they do not have rock walls. They do not have water slides. And frankly, I'm kind of happy about that. Princess, with its love boat, appeals to middle-aged couples, to retirees, and to multi-generational families with its traditional sailings. Princess is known for their great service, their great itineraries, their good food, their great entertainment, and just a casual elegance throughout the ship. Outside, you'll find inviting pools and lounges. Inside, you'll find classy bars and great restaurants. Princess Standard is their no-frills fare that includes all the core Princess experiences. It includes accommodations, complimentary dining, entertainment, and your Medallion wearable that enables for a truly effortless and personalized vacation. Princess Plus is the most popular way to cruise with Princess. With Princess Plus, you get Wi-Fi, one device per guest, crew appreciation, the Plus beverage package with drinks up to $15, unlimited juice bar, premium desserts, 2 per day, fitness classes, 2 per cruise, the new 2 casual dining meals per guest, the new Ocean Now delivery, and the new room service delivery. They say this is an overall 50% savings on a 7-day cruise, and your cost is $60 per day per guest. Princess Plus does include a lot of things, but some of those things used to be included in the standard fare. This casual dining used to be in the standard fare. The Ocean Now delivery used to be in the standard fare. And room service used to be in standard fare. So there are a lot of people online that aren't too happy about all those new things that you're now paying for that you didn't have to pay for before. Princess Premier includes Wi-Fi for up to 4 devices per guest. That's a lot of devices. I don't know what you're doing that you need so many devices. Crew appreciation, premier drink package with drinks now up to $20 each, unlimited juice bar, premier desserts unlimited, fitness classes unlimited, which you're going to need after eating unlimited premier desserts, a photo package with unlimited digital and 3 prints, Princess prizes, 2 specialty dining meals per guest, a Medallion Accessory, reserved theater seating for production shows, and again, that new, this time it's an unlimited casual dining meals, new Ocean Now delivery, and new room service delivery. The Premier package is $80 per person per day, and it's advertised as saving 65% on a 7-day cruise. Here is a tip that could save you money. If you're getting the standard fare like we are, you can bring a bottle of wine per person onto the cruise. Now, if you drink that wine in your cabin, no corkage fee. But if you do take it out to a public place, there will be a $15 corkage fee. No matter what package that you get, you're going to get a Princess Medallion. It looks like this. So it's about the size of an AirTag. And you have it, you can wear it, they give you a lanyard, or you could buy other accessories. One tip is go on Amazon. They have accessories for specifically Princess Medallions, or you could always use an AirTag accessory as well. Medallions take the place of a cruise card. So one thing that's super cool, you're walking down your hallway to get to your room. As soon as you get close, it recognizes you're there and it unlocks your door. How cool is that? In addition to that, it's how you pay for your drinks. It's how you get on and off the ship. It recognizes it. I'm hoping, or I'm going to get a device holder, a medallion holder that I can just put onto my watch. It just slides on. So that way it's with me all the time and I don't have to have a separate like lanyard or something like that to carry it. You'll want to download the Princess Medallion Class app onto your phone. You can do it a month ahead. I did a month ahead. That's where you check in before you cruise. So that's where you load up your security photo, your passport, everything you need to be cruise ready. Now, one thing that I did that I would definitely consider a mistake is I did not pay the $10, just $10, to have the medallion shipped to our house. So we are sailing on with the standard fare. If you sail with Princess Plus or the premium, they send it to you for free. But I would definitely suggest that you do pay the $10 if you do the standard fare, because that is the only way that you're going to get a green lane. That's what they call it, letting you know you're going to go to the green lane once you get to the dock. Since we're blue lane, we're going to have to go to the blue lane, pick up our medallion, and then, I don't know, maybe get in the green lane. I'm not really sure how that part works. I'll let you know after the cruise. In addition to checking in online before you even get to the terminal, you can also use that to customize and personalize your trip. So let's just say you are vegan. You would put that into the app. You'd put that information into the app. In addition to that, it has the daily itineraries, what's going on around the ship. So it's a really good thing to have, and it's super handy. One thing to know is if you did not get the Wi-Fi package, that app will still work on the ship. Couple more things about that app. That's where you would order room service or their Ocean Now delivery. Now, Ocean Now delivery sounds pretty cool, and you can get it if you have the standard fare. You pay $14.99 to activate it. And basically with Ocean Now, you put in your order on your app, and they deliver the food, the drink, wherever you are on the cruise. And they know where you are because of your medallion. You can use the app to find out what's going on in the ship, schedules, things like that. But if you're like me, you're kind of old-fashioned, you like to have that paper that you can look at. They still do have it. It's called the Princess Patter. So I'm still going to bring my highlighter and go through the night before to find out what's going on the next day to make sure that I don't miss out on any of the fun. So you're going to look at that patter or in the app to find out what's going on the next day, and you'll know what should you wear. So most days you're going to wear a casual dress. And what they say by that is like what you would wear like to a nice restaurant wherever you live. Now, if you're where I live in Southern California, a nice restaurant, you wear a pair of jeans and Vans tennis shoes. But that's okay. In the formal nights, they suggest that you wear, for women, cocktail dresses or just a dress or a night pants outfit. If you're a man, they suggest a jacket with a button-up shirt and slacks. Really, everybody on the YouTube said no, that you can just get away with wearing a pair of slacks and a button-up shirt if you're a man. If you have not liked and subscribed yet, will you consider it? That way you won't miss out on all the new things that I'm going to be adding week after week to help you plan your next cruise vacation. One thing that I'm always interested in is the food. So in the main dining room, you can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's complimentary. That's part of the standard fare. Other things that are part of the standard fare include the poolside pizza, which is not Alfredo's, the one that everybody says you got to have. Alfredo's is one of those casual dinings. It also has grilled burgers and hot dogs. It has swirls, which is soft serve ice cream. Then there's the World Fresh Marketplace, which is their buffet that you can have your breakfast, lunch, or dinner there. In the atrium, which is like the middle part of the ship, there's a 24-hour international cafe. And that is supposed to have casual but good food and specialty coffees. Now, those specialty coffees will be included if you have your Princess Plus or your Princess Premier package. For casual dining, you'll have Alfredo's Pizza, Gigi's, Kai Sushi, Ocean Terrace, O'Malley's, Planks, Salty Dog Pub, Steamers, and Mines. Not every ship has all of those casual restaurants, so if you're interested in finding out which ones your cruise ship has, you can just Google search the name of your ship and casual restaurants, and that'll come up. And for specialty dining, That is included. You get 2 of those with your Princess Premier, or you can purchase them a la carte for around $39 per person, which is actually a really good price. So on the cruise ship that we're going to be on, there is Harmony, which is the first Chinese restaurant in North America awarded a Michelin star. Also, there's Bistro sur la Mer, which is a French bistro-style fare with a modern twist. Crown Grill, which is a traditional steakhouse. And then other ships have Sabatini's, which is the Italian trattoria, and the Catch by Rudy's, which has yummy seafood. I don't know about you, but after all that talk of food, 2 things are happening. 1, I'm getting hungry, and 2, I'm kind of getting full thinking about all the food I'm going to eat. Anyways, so what do you do after dinner? They have lots of great things to do on the ship. They have comedians, they have Broadway shows. That's the things I'm super looking forward to. But they also have on Majestic Princess a water fountain show, kind of like Bellagio, with streams of water going in the air and choreographed to music. It's supposed to be fantastic. If Broadway musicals are not your thing, they do have movies under the stars. It's one of the things that Princess brought to cruising. So they have huge big screen TV and they play modern blockbuster movies. You get to lounge and have a nice cozy blanket. You can go get a Swirls ice cream or some popcorn or some cookies. It does sound like a lot of fun. You've had a full day. You walked up and down that ship 10 times, going to dinners, going to shows. So you're heading back to your cabin. Here's something that I learned that I think is pretty cool. When you get off the elevator on the port side of the ship, the pattern on the carpet is one way and the starboard is another. So you kind of get off and you can go, oh, I'm supposed to go that way, the pink carpet, whatever it is. So that's kind of cool. When you get back to your cabin, whether it's an interior cabin, a balcony, or a deluxe balcony, which is the first level of the cruise cabins that you get a love seat, a mini suite, or a regular size suite. No matter what you get, they're going to be organized and they're going to have a great bed. Sweet dreams and happy sailing. And if you enjoyed this video, you might want to watch this one next.